Do you know you're 100 days away from a completely different life? Do you know you're 100 days away from completely changing your life and seeing your goals come to fruition? Yes, today I'm going to share 100 days that changed my life. This is the first time I'm sharing this on my YouTube video, except those who've been to one of my seminars or those who've read my book. But before I go into 100 days that could change your life, I want you to hit that subscription button. So let me share my story for the first time. See, sometimes we don't know how far our dream is. See, for me, 2014 is when my dream of becoming a motivational speaker was born, and I really wanted to get on stage. I wanted to start doing my own events. But guess what? 2018, February 2018, I went on a journey of running 100 days. It was my birthday, so guess what? I said, let me just give myself a challenge. So I gave myself 100 days to just, run. And what happened is, so I actually went through those 100 days. Were they easy? No, they were not easy. But let me tell you something. The most growth happened on those days when I woke up and it was cold, freezing, and I didn't want to go out. But let me share what I really wanted you to get to. When I've finished those 100 days, I felt so good that I said to myself, what's one big thing that I could do that could dramatically improve the quality of my life? I wanted something really big. So guess what? I'd always wanted to start doing my own personal development seminars, and guess what? I was so scared. So I said to myself, I'm going to give myself 100 days to put up a seminar. So what did I do? Yes, I went to my local library. I inquired, I chose a room I wanted to share my story, and guess what? I chose a date as well. Did I know what I was going to talk about? No, I didn't. Lesson. See, sometimes you don't have to know what you are going to say. Sometimes you don't have to know what you are going to do. Sometimes you just have to step out in faith. And for me, because I was so scared before, I was fearful. I was like, what would I talk about? What would I share? But what I did is I was able to set up my first ever personal development seminar. Here I'd been practicing all these public speaking skills, but I could not even set up my own seminar. So what I did is I set up the date, 27th of July 2018, and guess what? On the 27th of July 2018, just before I was scared, all sorts of things, all sorts of negative voice came in. Come, what if no one shows up? Come, no one is going to want to listen to you. Come, what are you going to talk about? Come, what if you forget what you're supposed to say? Come, forget it, just cancel it. You need to be ready. And don't we sometimes, do you ever get that voice that speaks to you that says, oh, you're not ready? And guess what? You keep on putting your dreams off until God knows wherever. So today I came with to share with you a challenge. I want you to set yourself 100 days where you say you are going to do something for 100 days, or you are going to start that business, or you're going to quit that job, or you're going to do something that you know will dramatically improve the quality of your life. See, 100 days is a lot of time. That's over 3 months and something like 10 days. And it doesn't have to be 100 days. Give yourself maybe, even if it's 60, 90 days, 30 days, whatever it is, but it's gonna be something that's big, that's going to move you closer to your goals and dreams. And let me tell you something. For me, since I did that seminar, there's so many things that came from that seminar. I was able to write my book, 3 Lessons I Learned from My Dad. I was called on BBC Radio. All sorts of, synchronicities and serendipities. I went and spoke in London. I mean, there were so many things that happened when people actually saw me share my story and what I'm skilled, something I'm passionate about. When people had me share my dream of becoming, being one of the greatest motivational speakers out there, and, helping people to go after their goals and dreams by facing their fears, helping people to discover their life purpose. So what's 100 days that you could dramatically improve the quality of your life? See, 100 days. I want you to try it, and when you finish those 100 days, contact me. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, or even leave a comment below. So what's your 100-day challenge? I want you to mention it here in the comments below. So that was this video on 100 days that changed my life. Have a fantastic day, and remember to go after your goals and dreams like your life depends on it. And also hit that subscription button and share with your friends. Have a fantastic weekend. Mwah.